organization has opened our eyes and make possible the various Islamic organizations to come together to each other and make a consensus among us for a just society which will be based upon the law of Quran and Sunnah.
بعد هذه الصحوة الناس الشعب أنهم يفكرون ويتمنون ما فيه خير للبلاد ولبلادنا الحبيب، ولهذا أنهم مع بعض يتعاونون بعضهم بعضا، جميع الأحزاب السياسيون والمفكرون في داخل البلاد وجميع الجنسيات الذين يسكنون في خارج البلاد أيضا.
Now we are trying to establish a country which will be free from corruption and disparity. Our young people is very much intimated with us, and they are helping us to strengthen this demand and spreading this demand among the people of Bangladesh.
نحن الآن نسعى